It's time to choose the winner of the Beam Eye Tracker and Star Citizen Game Pack, and our winning comment is... Hey, remember me? I'm Gambino. I helped you try and acquire the hospital gown the other day. Yes, I do remember you, Gambino. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you and congratulations. I'll be in contact with you shortly. Guys, don't forget the Argo Moth giveaway is still running in the Alina Voss is Missing video. Every shot in that film was captured using the remarkable Beam Eye Tracker, a $30 app that transforms your webcam into a powerful eye and head tracker. It can completely change the way you create cinematics and pilot your ship in Star Citizen. If you want to give it a try for yourself, you can download Beam using the link in the description.
Just remember, the best things in life aren't things at all.